Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can get verified on your Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your Tinder app, and once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface. All you need to do is press on the file icon. After you tap it in on the tick mark beside your name, after you do so, press on the continue button. Now once you choose to read everything, simply press on next, and once you do this, press on the I agree button. So now to get verified, all you need to do is simply press on the continue button, and you will be led to this kind of page where you need to have your video be recorded by yourself in a oval-like frame. However, due to privacy reasons, this screen has been blacked out. So once you take a perfect shot of how your face looks like, you can simply apply to be verified under the TikTok rules. Simply press on OK, and after you do this, the verification is done. You will be verified on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.